Hello! So, another day, another video. I have too much project going on at once. I have gearbox project that is in disassemble part. I have my wife desk project that should be all both aired before this one. And today we have engine mount project when we have engine mount in pretty bad shape. It is in two parts and shouldn't be in this condition. It is also empty from all the insides in here. I will show you another mount from my Mazda RX-8. This one is from my friends. While taking out the engine from his Mazda, this shattered. So I thought maybe try to reconstruct this, and I got away with the mold. This wasn't cut as it is right now. I now have a mold, and reconstruction should be a matter of cleaning all the parts, two parts. Here we have our plastic inserts and our rubber. We can just cut this out, or another worse way, it will be to superheat it for the rubber to burn, at least from the outside, and then sandblast it just to clean off our parts. I wouldn't recommend, and I wouldn't say it is a good thing to heat parts and burn the rubber, because it is not good for the environment, and second thing, you can poison yourself. But if you don't have another option, and if we will not find any better solution, we will. These parts are not cheap, and as we see, this is not serviceable, so we doing what we can. So first thing we have to do, we have our top part of our engine mount. I will put it in vise in here. And now we have to cut our rubber, so getting a knife. So I didn't find any bigger knife, so with a long not used kitchen knife we can just try to cut all things off. As we can see, we are starting to see aluminium in here. We have a little more rubber just to take off. As you see, scrubbing it, cutting it, all think that it will help you. And you should be careful if you are getting knife into your way. When you're keeping it with two hands, you could make more. You can make more movements to keep yourself safe. But if you're cutting it away, especially when it is on the vise, the worst thing you could do to yourself is to hit your hand with something hard, like our vise in here. Just keep safe. I think I will clean this better off camera, but I wanna to get my hands on this part of the mount before my battery runs out, so I will just mount it and try cut it some more. I will do just a little update. As you see, I tried to cut all rubber out of this. As you see, I didn't manage to do this because the battery is dying. I will try to cut as much as I can off camera, and we will see after. I will just get rid of all of rubber inside because the project is on time and I don't wanna waste all day just to power up the camera. So here we are. Fast forward a few hours. I took grinding wheel, the stone grinding wheel, and cleaned inside pretty well. Also glass beaded as much as I could. I left some rubber in here, but it is so much bonded with walls that I am not I don't feel any that it will make any difference. So as we can see, we have nice surface. I cleaned it with isopropyl alcohol, so it should be pretty clean. I am just wondering if I will be able to take this out of the mold after it will bond up. But to fill our mold, we need something to measure our weight to get a good ratio. Cup to mix our polyurethane into. Some single-use sticks to not waste anything, to not clean anything more. And as we see, we have our polyurethane. Set our weight. I think we need. I will pour around, I think 130. Yeah, this should be good. 130 grams. This should be mixed 1-to-1 ratio, so. And this should be perfect. As I said, 1 gram difference shouldn't be. And now I will just, or maybe I will put a few drops in here. Our dye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And we will see how it will mix. 15 drops. It was, wow, 5 grams. Jeez. I just turn off wake, and now we just need to mix our stuff. It turned green, so I will add another 10 drops. This is nice color, but I think I will add another 10. I'm hoping for more blue. and as I see, this might be just the color I will stuck with. So what's left for me to do is actually to pour this into my mold. It is good that it is pretty run, because I will stop right here, because our mount have air gap right in here, so I should just toss this rubber from the beginning. That I see, I bonded with some of the stuff. Yeah, I even see it right here. I will now fill this mold up to very yeah. As we just see, my polyurethane is trying to come up in here. That is good. I filled it pretty much the even top. I got, I think, 20 grams left. Now I will just wait for it to just little settle. I hope that bubbles won't be a huge problem, but yeah, we will see. I'm starting to see if this is starting to get a little bigger. This is my first time pouring some polyurethane. I don't have any experience, but I see it might be expanding a little in here, so I might just even take some of it. Okay, we'll see. 25 minutes. I will be all time here, so I will be checking. So here we have our mount. This polyurethane keeps overfilling, so now I know that I need to have much less in there. As I did 260, there was, I think, around 30 inside, so I think 990, 200 will be a proper amount. And it is now starting to settle, as shown in here. I will leave it in safe place, and tomorrow I think I will have proper engine mount. We'll see. Maybe I will then get a blade very sharpened, or I will take a scalpel and cut around. We'll see. I mean, yeah, I mean, the polyurethane is safe now, so I will just leave it here. It should be cured after 24 hours, but I will probably try to take it out earlier. I don't know what is temperature here. It should be settled in 24 hours in 23 degrees Celsius. Maybe it's little more hot in here, then it will cure faster. But who knows? Testing. Have a nice day. So here it is, the next day, and how our mold will look like. Damn, how it is even possible that this could keep engine? This, I think I will try to demold this, and I need to put this to some tests, because this is actually scary, because this is foam. Yeah, I demolded, and this part it looks pretty firm and should work okay, but I'm concerned about this giant blob at the bottom. I will just cut this and look how it how it behaves actually. So as you saw, I didn't make it in this video, and I would like to actually I did it again, and with one result that is very promising. It is in, I think I did it twice, and it is in my cars. Anyway, hope you like it. Sometimes things doesn't work, sometimes things does work. In this video this happens. Either way, I just hope you like it, and hope you have a nice day, and see you guys later, because I am overwhelmed right now with editing videos. See ya!